Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about gerunds and gerund phrases. Ready to learn? Then let's start. Look at these examples. They are what we call gerunds. Uwais is good at swimming. Mother loves reading. Baking is her hobby. So, the words swimming, reading, and baking are gerunds. They look like verbs, don't they? Yeah, that's right. They look like verbs, but they don't function as verbs. How come? Look at these examples. Mother is reading a book. She loves reading. In the first sentence, mother is the doer, which takes the position as the subject of the sentence. Reading is the action. So, it's clear here that the word reading is used as a verb. Unlike the first sentence, she loves reading, the word reading here is not used as a verb. Let's identify the sentence structure first. Can you identify the subject? The subject is she. How about the verb? Can you find the verb? The verb is loves, and it is a steady verb. So, how about the word reading here? The word reading here takes the position as the object of the sentence. It's similar to when we say, she loves apples, or she loves bananas. Apples and bananas are nouns. In a sentence, nouns can function as the subject of the sentence, the object of the sentence, or the object of a preposition. Now, can you see the difference between verb ing, which functions as a verb, and verb ing, which functions as a noun? For better understanding, let's have more examples. Swimming is a good exercise. Uwais is swimming in the river. He's good at swimming. Can you tell me which sentences have gerunds? The first sentence has a gerund in it. The second one is not a gerund, it is a verb. And the third sentence also has a gerund in it. Need more examples? Mrs. Noor enjoys baking. No one should disturb her when she's baking. Baking is her hobby. She is fond of baking. Now find the gerunds. The first sentence, is it a gerund? Yes. The second one? No, it's a verb. The third one? Yes, it's a gerund. The fourth one? Yes, it is. So, what are gerunds? Gerunds are of the form verb ing and have the same function as nouns. Now, let's move on to gerund phrases. These are gerund phrases. So, instead of using one word only, gerund phrases are made up of gerunds and nouns. Now, do this exercise. Decide whether these sentences consist of a gerund phrase, or a verb. The first sentence, the roof needs painting. Painting. What is it? It is a gerund. The second sentence, the doctor was checking her patient in her room. Checking here is a verb. The third sentence, playing soccer is not a popular game among the girls. Playing soccer here is a gerund phrase. Number 4. Ryan is scared of jumping from a tall building. Jumping from a tall building. What is it then? Yeah, you're right. It is a gerund phrase. Number 5. She has been waiting for you since this morning. Waiting here is a verb. So, how many correct answers have you got? Well, the exercise marks the end of our today's video. Inshallah, I'll see you again next week. Wassalamualaikum.